Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can be offline on Instagram. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, also write your comments, and let us get started with you. So, first of all, open up the Instagram app. Next, you'll need to go to your profile. Then at the top, click on the three bars and go to Settings. And the easiest thing here would be to go to the search bar and click and type in 3 letters. Act. And then you'll need to go to Show Activity Status. And when you go to that page, if your activity status is on, like I have it now, it will mean that all the people you're chatting to, your friends, won't be able to see that you're online. And will also be able to see, for example, if you're out, it will say in your correspondence, for example, when you were out there 10 minutes ago or 20 minutes ago. And you can also see that your friends, also the people you're texting with, that they're online. If you want to be offline, then you just have to disable this feature, but keep in mind that just like your friends, also the people you are texting with will not see that you are active on Instagram. Neither will you see other people's activity, whether they are online or offline. That's how it is, friends. You can be offline on the Instagram app. I hope this video has helped you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and be sure to write your comments. See you soon, friends.